students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, the sum of second and fourth term of arithmetic progression is 54 and the sum of the first 11 terms is 693. Find the arithmetic progression and which term of this progression is 132 more than the 54th term. So two conditions are given in the question. First is sum of second term and fourth term. Second term, that is A2 plus A4 is given as 54, and second condition, sum of first 11 term, that is S11 is given as 693. So we have two equations and we have two unknowns as well, that is first term and common difference. If we know the first term and if we know the common difference, we can find any arithmetic progression. So from this two equation we can find that first term and the common difference. So let's try. First term, our second term will be A plus 2 minus 1D, that is only D, plus fourth term will be A plus 3D is equals to 54. A plus A will be 2A plus D plus 4D will be D plus 3D will be 4D is equals to 54, correct? And here S11, sum of nth term, sum of first n term formula for arithmetic progression is n by 2. So we'll write 11 by 2. The formula is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d, correct? So instead of Sn we can write this. So instead of n we will write 11 and a and d are two unknowns, correct? So instead of n we will write 11. So it will be 11 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1, that is 10d is equals to 693, correct? Now this will go, so 2 and 5, this will become 5, so it is, and this will become a plus 5d is equals to 693 divided by 11. After doing this we will find 11 1s, 11 6s and 63s, correct? So a plus 5d is equals to 63. So this is our second equation, this is our first equation. So using equation 1 and equation 2 we can find the a and d. So what we will do, we will use the elimination method. So what we will do, we will multiply this equation by 2 and we will subtract from here. So this into 2, that is we will multiply equation 2 with 2. So what we will get, 2a plus 10d is equals to 126, and this equation we will write as it is. 2a plus 4d is equals to 54. Now using elimination we will subtract, correct? This is known as elimination method. So 2a minus 2a will be 0. 10a minus 4a will be 10d minus 4d will be 6d. 126 minus 54 will be 72. So this will become d is equals to 12. So one unknown we know now, that is d. D is equals to 12. Now to find a, we will put this in any of this equation. So let's put d here, we will find a. So putting d is equals to 12 in equation 2. So what we will find? A plus 5 into 12 is equals to 63. That is a plus 60 is equals to 63. Now the 60 will go on the other side, 63 minus 60. So a will become 3. So our first term is 3. Our common difference is 12. So we can find the arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression will start like AP. Our AP will be starting from 3. Then plus 12 it will be 15. Plus 12 27, plus 12 39, plus 12 and so on. This is our arithmetic progression. And the second part of the question, according to question It is given that there is a term exists. Let's suppose it is a general term, nth term, and it is 132 more than 54th term. 132 more than 54th term. There is a term that exists. Now we will put the formula here. A and formula is a plus n minus 1 times d, and a54 will be a plus 53d plus 132. Now value of a is, they will cancel out. So n minus 1 into d is 12. 53 into d is 12, and plus this is 11 times 12. This is 11 times 12. So see, 12 is everywhere, we can cancel out 12. Now our calculation become easier. So n minus 1 is equals to 53 plus 11. So n minus 1, 53 plus 11 will be 64, and this will go on the other side, n will be equals to 65. So there is 65th term. 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.